Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So, three keys to happiness. The first is make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the center of your life. You can't be happy if you don't know who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is. When you learn about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you will love Him. You will understand this world and the realities of it. When you learn that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Al Wadud, the most loving, you will see the world in a different way. When you that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the wise and that everything happened with his divine wisdom, your life will change. When you know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one that controls everything in this world and that can fulfill all of your needs, you will feel empowered next time you raise your hands and go Ya Rabb, knowing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
If you like it, then share this video as a sadqa jariya and also hit the subscribe button for more Islamic videos.